Hi everyone, my name is Burrely. I'm the creator of the Immersive Wizard Staff, and in this video I will explain to you how you can set up the wizard staff on your avatar. First of all, the staff has a few requirements that you will need for it to work properly. The first requirement is VRC Fury for attaching the staff and its logic to your avatar. The second requirement is the Piomi Toon Shader. You will be able to find links to both of these requirements either on the product page or in the description of YouTube. Make sure you have both of these requirements installed in your project before proceeding. Now for the actual setup of the wizard staff. Step 1. Import the wizard staff. If you have the wizard staff downloaded, I already have it right here. You can drag the Unity package that you have right into your project like this. And then Unity will pop up a little window here with the import settings, and you want to just import everything, just like that. Step 2, you want to place the wizard staff into your scene. So first we need to locate the wizard staff. It will be right here under props, Burrely wizard staff. Go in here, you see a item that's called wizard staff. You just drag this into your scene, just like that. Now, step 3, we're going to position the wizard staff. I'm going to move this about where we want it to. So, see here, move it a little bit closer like that. All right, very good. You can see this wizard staff is a little bit big. So we're going to scale it down a little bit. There we go. Seems about right. All right. Now go to step 4. We're going to set up the constraints. So since this wizard staff is grabbable, you can put it in your hand, you can like place it down and stuff. We have a system setup with constraints, which you can find right here. So you go to staff constraints within the wizard staff, and then you'll see that it has a VRChat parent constraint component right here. What you want to do is you want to move these around like this. We set the weight of the back to 0, and then one of the hands we set it to 1. Now you see it's positioned in a rather awkward spot. This is not where we want the staff, right? Because our right hand is right there. So what we do is we open up the staff constraints object right here. We click on hand right, just like that. And now you see that it's focused on the wizard staff right there. So I'm going to change my view a little bit so I can actually look at it from the front view. All right. We can move it right here. See, we still have the wrong rotation, so we just set this to 0. There we go. And we want to make sure that the leather straps that we have, we want those exactly where the hand is. This is our indicator of where it's supposed to be. Now we want to do the same thing for the left hand. So what I would suggest you do is, since most avatars are symmetrical, we can copy the transform of this. So what we do is we click these 3 little dots here, go to copy, and then we take the component in its whole, and we'll go back to our staff constraints object right here, and then we scroll down in sources, and we set the hand weight of the left hand to 1, and set the other one to 0. And now you see this is the location of that, just kind of like what the right hand was at first. And then we select left hand right here. And what we do is we click the 3 dots again on the transform, and we paste our component values just like that. But you see, it goes back to the right hand. We want it on the left hand, but luckily for us, this object is centered, so we can just do negative right there. See, the rotation is still wrong, so to fix that, we go into the rotation, set Z rotation or Z rotation to 180, just like that, and there we go. It's perfectly mirrored. That's what we want. Now there's one more thing we want to check. So we got our contacts The only thing we want to change here really is the back constraints or the back contacts. So you see it right here. This is the holster area. So if you place your hand here, you can grab it from your back, but you can also put it back on your back. You want to make sure that this is positioned somewhere just behind you. So not directly around your face or your chest, because otherwise you're going to accidentally put it back or grab it when you don't want to. You want to push this back a little bit, just like that. And once you're happy with it, you are basically ready to go. This you might have to play around with a little bit until you get it right, but this should be everything you need to know in order to get started with the wizard staff. There's one more thing I would like to touch on real quick. You will see that if your avatar is normally a medium rating or a good rating, it might now say that it's poor. That probably has to do with the light source that's on it, which you can pull off of it really easily by opening the catalyst, staff catalyst right here, and simply removing the light. If you remove this, you should be fine. Unless your avatar is already like poor or worse, in which case this is not going to help. But that's about it. I hope this has helped. If you have any questions, please feel free to join the Discord. My DMs are always open, but I'm sure somebody there can also help you if you need more assistance. I'll leave a link to the Discord down in the description. Take care, everyone. Thank you for watching, and I hope you have fun with my prompt.